Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you want to access WebDAV from Windows Explorer without jumping through a million different hoops, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect to WebDAV, mount WebDAV as a drive, and move files around like it's nothing. And yeah, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tech tips. So first, what even is WebDAV? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. WebDAV stands for Web Distributed Authoring and Versioning. Basically, it's a way to make your cloud storage feel like it's another folder on your computer. Depending on your setup, managing credentials, handling multiple accounts, or keeping things secure can get really clunky really fast. That's where CloudMounter steps in. It simplifies the whole process and keeps everything in one clean interface. So you are not bouncing between saved network locations or dealing with repeated logins. It's kind of like giving your cloud storage a smoother lane inside your Windows workflow. You can upload from WebDAV, download, and intuitively organize files on a WebDAV server. It's the WebDAV client for Windows that I've been using, and honestly, it makes everything really smooth. You can manage all files from one spot, transfer files between clouds and servers, and save a ton of space on your hard drive. You're gonna wanna stick around to the end because there's a discount code waiting for you. Now, Windows does have built-in WebDAV support, but it's pretty basic. That's where CloudMounter really levels things up, especially when it comes to security and a smoother overall experience. Now, to connect to WebDAV, just download and open CloudMounter on your Windows laptop. Pick WebDAV from the multiple storage options, enter your server info, username, and password, and you're pretty much set. Yes, you can open WebDAV in Windows Explorer without it, but with CloudMounter, it feels a lot more streamlined and natural inside your workflow. So you can focus on getting things done instead of tweaking different settings. And the best part, CloudMounter doesn't really stop at WebDAV. You can add as many accounts as you need, encrypt specific folders for safety, and still use other cloud storages and web services like FTP, FTPS, and S3 altogether. It's built straight into Explorer, so there's no weird interfaces to learn. And it's perfect for creators, IT folks, small businesses, or anyone that just wants their files organized without the headache. Honestly, using CloudMounter to access WebDAV from Windows Explorer just makes the whole experience smooth and a lot more simple. No slow browser tools, just your files ready to go, and it's all secure. Honestly, once you try it, you're gonna be wondering how you ever used WebDAV without it. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and also hit the link in the description to get CloudMounter with 15% off. I'll see you in the next one.